What's up, guys? Colin here from Techout, and I posted a short earlier today about the Ring ad from the Super Bowl last night. And they've had it up on their YouTube channel for about a week, but after the Super Bowl, my X feed was just full of people freaking out about this ad and about the fact that, oh, somebody can post a picture of their lost pet, and then all the cameras in the neighborhood are just going to start sending their videos to this person, and they can track people with it and all this other stuff. People don't even take a second to even remotely look and see how something works before they start flipping out about it. I'm going to play the ad real quick.
Milo. Pets are family, but every year 10 million go missing, and the way we look for them hasn't changed in years. Until now. One post of a dog's photo in the Ring app starts outdoor cameras looking for a match. Search Party from Ring uses AI to help families find lost dogs. Since launch, more than a dog a day has been reunited with their family. Be a hero in your neighborhood with Search Party. Available to everyone for free right now. Join the neighborhood at ring.com.
All right, so now that we looked at the ad, you can see what the feature is. But if you look at the feature, if you have a Ring app, if you have a Ring camera and you have the Ring app, you can go on there and you can choose which cameras can be used for this. So if you have like a camera inside your house, or you can turn that off. So it's not possible that it's going to detect your dog and record the video or take the snapshot and save it as this other person's possible dog. Even if it does, guess what? It doesn't just automatically start sending videos out to all these people that might report their pet missing. And right now, this is only for pets, only for dogs. It doesn't work with people, faces, anything like that. It only recognizes pets. It does not just oh, there's a dog that might be missing, and send videos from your camera all over the neighborhood. Nope. It sends the camera owner, you, a notification saying, hey, your camera might have detected a lost pet. Would you like to share the snapshot or the video with the person that reported that pet missing? Yes or no. It doesn't just automatically willy-nilly put your video, your camera feed out there. It doesn't send videos from, if you have cameras inside your house, or if you have a camera maybe in your backyard or on your patio or something that you don't want to use for this, you can turn that off. But even if you have it on, it doesn't automatically just share your videos and share your recordings with the public or with somebody that uses the Neighbors app to report their lost pet. But people are blowing it out of proportion, thinking that this is some neighborhood nationwide surveillance thing, that cameras are just going to be able to get access by anybody just simply by uploading a picture of their dog, and every time a dog gets detected, the feed's just going to have everybody's cameras on it. It's simply not true, and people just don't take time to even use their head to think about something before they start blowing up the internet with all this fear mongering and all this stuff. Just take a second to look and see how that actually works before you react to something.